asuntosykeyhtiö Kotiharju.
Yes, this is amazing also today on the 13th of March 2023. We have Franzéninkatu, 5 staircases. 4 staircases here in total in this residential building, and I have been in one before. Maybe it was B, but I'm not sure. But if we get there, I can take it better with the other. So they will go to the staircases C, B, and A here after this, and test with the very popular old style Kotiharju sauna, which is like a common one, and it is in the same building. We have stage 3 closest to footprints, but without that.
Yeah.
But I think it can be fixed down. Still be something.
Yeah.
So the capacity is 3. First is for 240 cars, and this was built in 1928, last in 2005, the Silver Station 791 weight 7. Yes, we can use it.
Yeah.
Hi Nick. Oh, I forgot to press it. And I forgot to tell, this is also in Kallioberg, SG Sports, Åsmiljan, Finland. It's beeping also, but
Yeah. By Liftinstut, maintained by Backup Service Keskus.
will be bigger than sure. 2023. This year also, in 2023, the elevator or elevators here will be 95 years old. The modernization will be 20 years old in 2025. We can leave it there because it was broken. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's